Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Online Business Entrepreneur. Today, we're gonna see how to make 50 cents per click, guys. It's a new method we've never been seen before, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make 50 cents per click. And it's legitimate way to make money, guys, and it's easy money. It's sent to directly sent to a PayPal money, guys. Let's dive into this video. This website is called Shwishy Cash. This website is around have been here since 2007, guys. This is also a legitimate way to because it's have been here for 2007, and total members are around 1,82,000, guys, and total cash paid out for 349,000, guys. That's lots of money. This company is paid really good, guys, because it's established since 2007. It's a legitimate company. This company have been around a decade, guys. So it's no afraid of this because it's legitimate way to make money. This is easy money, guys. Let's check how the dashboards look like. This is the dashboard, guys. If you want to sign up, click sign in. I'm in dashboard. If you sign up, you go to swisscash.com or leave a link in description, guys. Click the link and go to right over the join button here. Click join. It's easy, simple, guys. Register country, all the stuff like that. Simple good stuff. You can enter all your correct information and make money, guys. This is the dashboard look like, guys. It's easy. Just click what are the offers are available, guys. Let's check. This is dashboard, guys. You see I have a $3 cash balance, guys, because I signed later, guys. I signed before year and I get $3. If you sign, you get $3, guys. It's easy. If you reach our threshold, this is the $15 threshold, guys. You can directly send the money to the next day via your choice of PayPal, check, or direct deposit, Amazon, School. Anyway, guys, there are lots of ways you can withdraw, and this is easy money. You can also affiliate link, guys. You can refer your friend to earn 25 percentage of their lifetime income. Plus, you can earn $1 per active referral, guys. At least the guy finish one offer for your $1, guys. It's easy method. Just scroll down how to earn, guys. Click the earn button. Go to this is lots of way, guys. All offer, new offer, free offer, service highest to paid. But in this video I told you how to make 50 cents per click, guys. Just add, you can click and you can make, guys. Before that, we're gonna see the other way to make money, guys. Let's click all offer. What's offers coming? Just click all of others. This is offers are available here. There are lots of service, guys. 2.2 dollars to cashback. You also purchase for a cashback, guys. It's legitimate way to purchase to get a free cashback, guys. And it's easy money. You see, guys, $30 chips and click here free offers. Let's check the free offers, guys. It's easy enough. You can make lots of money with these free offers, guys. As I told you, guys, there is offers, but I don't have offers now because I'm started getting. You can started getting. You don't get any offer, guys. You can later get lots of offers on free offers. You can make lots of money. Our videos target make 50 cents per click, guys. You can easily make a $15 at one day, guys. You can do it over and over again. There is no limit. Do it over and over again. You can make lots of money, guys. Let's dive into. Click, scroll down. This is the in section right over here, guys. Click members. Click. This is the offers we're gonna talk about earlier. Just you can make lots of money. Do you see, guys? There is this side is worth $0.01, guys. It's almost 50 cents. We are counting this. can make lots of money. There is among lots of guys. If you want click, you can next get guys. Click and make lots of money. If you get a $15, you can withdraw to a PayPal money or anything guys. Click the proof button where any proof of sale. This companies are given how much people are making really. This is guys almost there are lots of proof guys. Click the PayPal payment guys. There is lots of way people to make money and good amount. Of this is not to make them rich guys. This is a side hustle to give them any side income or like that guys. It's easy. There is no referral guys. So we go back and see what are here for. There is lots of referral. If you want to check the referral, come on sign up. Check this referral guys. There are almost 12,000 views for this form only guys. This is the website guys. I told you this is easy way to make money. There is a lots of way guys. You can do lots of way for lots make lots of money guys. All offer new offer, free offer, survey, trials, shop. You can also shop guys. As I told you earlier, in order to make money, you can make lots of money because of you can shop anything you want with this squeezy case. Yes, this is legitimate way to make money, no doubt about it, because it's been here for since 2007 guys. Okay guys, this website is all about this guys. Make 50 cents per click guys. It's easy money as you think. Hey guys, I hope you this video helps you a lot to make side hustle. This is not make on a rich guys because it's a like little side hustle. You can make lots of money with this doing over and over again, or save this cash and invest to the next level business guys to make real freedom of your life guys. Hey, this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe guys. See you guys next video. Make money online. Peace.